chaotic. I'm having a stroke right now, clearly. I don't know what you're talking.
You're a bad YouTuber, dude.
Yeah! That's so mean!
I know, right?
We have the math. God. You know what? We're gonna put that here because I'm lazy. What's in here? Oh, my Frenchie! Okay, and then we have card games. We're just put that there for anyone who wants to play. Lovely. And then this is Bub's gift.
Did you even,
sorry, Bub.
You're not recording?
Yeah, I am recording.
Okay, good.
Well, what do you think? I'm stupid?
Yes.
Shut up. Okay, we got Okay, let's put the water guns under the table. Oh my God, no, stop it. Okay, wait, yeah. No, put it in the bag, put it in the bag.
Ooh,
Keep it.
this is a big one.
I know, that's the mega one. It can blow someone's head off.
If you have time, go fill up the water. What do you think? No?
Fine.
No, up to you. What do you think?
Can we, wait, just put it in the bag for now.
This is mine now.
Or do you think we should let them fill it up?
Well, I mean, if they want to be crowded in a stinky bathroom, then sure.
Is it? That's what I'm saying. You know, if you have time, what do you think?
You know
I'm recording this whole entire conversation.
Okay. You want me to take a picture in front of your decoration?
Lovely.
Kayla, you know what I really want
Put
to do?
it in!
You know what I really want to do?
What?
Fill this thing up. As soon as Simon comes, spray him with that thing,
Yeah,
the
I'm gonna
same
record
thing
it.
as that.
Yeah, I'm gonna record everything. And I have to blur out his name because he'll freak out again. Okay, let's just put that in there. Weather. I'm gonna get popcorn. Organic! Organic. My toes in the sand. Wait, we need to get like a group photo. That would be the thumbnail. Okay, let's just.
Okay, ready? Smile.
I want to see it. I probably look ugly. Oh, you look nice and I look weird.
Here, in the second one.
Still looking ugly.
Blinking.
Wait, what time is it? People get here at 11. You suck at throwing. Remember the raisins?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, we got. Yeah, this is why you suck at throwing. Stop it, you're wasting power. Okay, people are gonna be here in like half an hour. Oh, I have a trash. Oh wait, the cooler, the trash bag. Okay, yeah, there is a trash can right there. Perks of having a trash can.
Wait, can you put another song?
Yeah, sure. What song do you want? What?
Bermuda.
Huh?
Bermuda.
Type in. I'm gonna eat popcorn. I love popcorn. Popcorn is poggers. I can't wait to use the silly string.
Why won't it unpause?
What's this? This sounds like an opera. Do you want to try this? Rude!
Turn on the music.
You chose the wrong.
Hey, I guess what I brought.
Why?
It starts with a G.
Wait, it does?
It ends with an R.
It does.
I don't know.
Oh,
L-I.
that's the you
A what?
A gift.
Oh God.
What? It's a gift.
It
It's
is.
going to be returned.
Yes, sir.
Hurry up.
Be quiet.
There you go.
Thank you.
解释一下是什么东西 Explain 一下
Oh my.
It's special, right? 什么 special? See, everybody together. Yeah, this is special.
Nah, you guys.
这个是肥皂做的呀。
哦，真的。Get off.
肥皂做的呀。
哦，谢谢。
肥皂做的。
真的。
对啊，这是 from Hawaii。
哦，谢谢。哦，你有个虫在你身上。你的眼睛很漂亮。
啊，眼镜啊？
对啊，我很喜欢。谢谢了。
不谢，不客气。有什么关系？来，第二个。
他是从中国跑过来的吗？
You.
I don't think he's good.
No. 买点东西吃。
Okay.
Oh yeah, the farmers market's over there. If you guys want anything extra, we still have snacks. This is so embarrassing.
No, this is you two are meant to be.
I'm
You
going.
two are
I'm
meant to
going to.
be.
No.
Yes, no, you guys are meant to be.
If there was no parental vision, you would be dead right now. Oh, lovely. Sheep.
You guys are meant to be.
His mother's right there. You can do your job. I'm just gonna eat popcorn.
Yes, no, you guys are meant to be.
Oh my. 6th grade.
7.
Oh, she has the same pack of sanitizers as me. I have one in my bag. You guys are meant to be.
Oh
Do you want to die today?
No.
Before you get to marry?
No, I hate him. Jesus.
So then why did you force me in a call with him?
Because
Because
I
you...
wanted to annoy someone. You know me. I want to annoy anyone at any point.
Yeah.
He's tall, right? His face looks the same though. Oh, 谢谢.
Clean, just a full clean hand.
Oh, thank you. We went to the bathroom just now to wash our hands and to refill the guns.
So,
Poor guy. Oh, 这些是那个是 organic 的，你想尝下吗？
Now where's the bucket?
no,
You just use the. Okay.
no, Simon.
No!
No.
No!
No, I think I know who's aiming it for. No, no, no.
Why
No.
use this?
Yes! Those are the grenade things.
Wait, then what do I use to refill?
Yeah, exactly. No, you just suck up the water. The water isn't necessary for the balloons.
Okay, so I'm just gonna.
Oh no.
go for
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. How interesting. What a beautiful love story. Oh wait, I'm not even recording everything. Why is everything so blurry? Ugh. Okay, well I think that's Simon. I don't even know. I think Tarini's running somewhere. Right there. Yeah, there we go. The figure that's running. And Simon's still over there.
Okay. Okay, go participate. You gotta get into the camera, Kayla. Oh, okay.
Look out, Mercy.
Hi! Oh, I'm joking. How are you? I'm fine. We're already wet. And I have an idea. Go!
No, I need a tea. I don't have water.
You want popcorn? I like your popcorn.
Ah!
Wait, explore what perfect everything. Angela! Where did you come from? Right there. No! Hey! I'm not even my beautiful friends, we got and we got Angela here. Going through their bags. Lovely. Yay! Okay, let's go get them.
Oh, let me fill. Oh, wait, can you fill up your?
Yeah, smaller guns can, yeah.
Okay.
I think that's small enough. Yeah. Yeah. Because the What's up?
I drenched him.
You used a mega gun!
Yes, I did.
That's such a big dunk.
I know, it can blow off your head!
Don't worry, the girls are in one team. Me.
Girl versus boy! Oh, poor Simon, just getting drenched.
Simon, I think you need to change the water gun.
Yes, you do need to change your water gun. Here. Grab this one. Do you want this one? Oh wait, I can't. Someone used up all the water. Wait, try it. You need to wait. Yeah, you need to.
Oh.
There we go. Pressure. You need more pressure. There's still water in there. The drinks are on their way.
Okay.
Yeah, just leave it there.
Juno's watering this.
Huh? There's not enough water? Oh, we have to go refill. Wait, guys. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, cute. Okay, we're gonna leave. Let's go. Ah! Why'd you do that? Wait, where's Simon? Simon alone. I don't trust him.
He's abandoned.
He's gonna knock over the tables. I swear, that's what he's gonna do.
Wait, we did not do our plan yet, Kayla.
I know, because his mom is still there. I'm not gonna silly string him when his mom's there.
Oh yeah. Anyway, when's the marriage, Kayla?
You wanna die?
It is not hard to chase him.
I know,
To him.
dude. I mean, I know. He used to be pretty fast, but then now he's just slow.
I mean, I feel like everyone's just slow at recording.
No, I can run a mile in 10 minutes. My mileage hasn't changed.
Requirement of it.
My mileage hasn't changed, but my stamina sucks now.
Oh yeah, I can still go far just depending on time.
Oh, dude, oh my god. So, we went hiking, like, I don't know, like last month.
Yeah.
And literally, he said that he could hike for like 2 hours without stopping. And he's the reason why we had to take a 10-minute break. And I'm like, you good? And then his mom right there was just like, you good? Why are you taking so long? Just do it in the sink. Okay. Here you go. You can go first because mine's more filled up.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, some screw over there. Yeah.
Okay.
See, your big brain. Mirror photo!
I haven't functioned a water gun in like my entire life, okay?
You're joking. You've never had a water fight?
No.
That's so sad! Oh my god!
Wait, no, okay, I'll hold this.
Oh, okay.
You hold.
Okay, wait, we need to... Oh my god! Okay.
Yeah, it's an automatic one.
Yeah. Did they change it? They're so loud. Hey, can you hear us?
I drive my house in here. Tell me.
You guys are loud.
Actually, you.
Oh! Oh my god, wait, let's see.
Oh!
Someone open the door, it's Therese. Sorry about that, Angela. How do I do this? This is a dumb, like, just pour water in there. Use that and just pour it in. See?
This is how Kayla.
Still recording.
Actually.
Stop!
Kayla's struggling.
Wait, flip the camera. like that.
struggling.
Yeah. Record us, but like, don't record my face. Hello? I got it. Claire!
Wait.
I saw it. We're doing the water gun, so here's your card.
Thank you! Huh?
There's someone using.
Huh?
There's
I'm so sorry. We're gonna get out.
You forgot your card, Kayla.
I'm so sorry.
Kayla.
Why is everyone near the bathroom now? Oh, thank you. This is
overflowing. I use all.
What are your pronouns?
Are you fine with dirty or should I just use like a chocolate now?
I'm gonna use this. I'm too lazy.
Excuse.
Lovely. Who is Violet? Yeah. You changed a lot.
I have no idea what the card is. I'm sorry.
I don't know either. Can we change this? Bring my own lunch. I forgot. I'm getting popcorn. What's up? Yeah, sure. It's fine. I probably won't. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe not.
Okay. So,
I open this ocean? Can someone record, please? Anybody who doesn't want to be recorded can record.
You want to be recorded? I want to be recorded.
Parents, that's me. And also because I don't like talking to adults. Sounds like you.
I don't know what I'm supposed to record though.
Just record random things that you see that looks fun.
Because we're chaotic people, there's obviously gonna be something idiotic.
Okay.
24/7.
Okay. The focus gonna be on Kayla the entire time.
I shook them like really badly. Like really very badly. Huh?
Wait, Trini!
Yes!
You guys actually got. They actually got silly strings. They actually got silly strings. Can I record this?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm recording.
No!
No. No. Okay. Never mind. Mission failed. I'm just holding. Oh, sorry. No, you're not hiding it that good. Yeah, I can't. It's very suspicious.
Stick it in your sleeve. Really? I'm in for Simon. Yes.
We're gonna silly string Simon.
I never thought you actually get
record this.
something.
Only 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Wait, Simon's mom's almost gone. Okay, she's almost gone.
That's Simon's mom.
I know this one. I love this one. Shake it.
No, oh yeah,
Also,
just take it.
oh, okay.
And the back.
The most depressing song track. It's not the most. I've heard much more depressing songs than this.
Yeah.
It's not.
Okay, ready?
You know, if you just like all of you just walk up to him, he's gonna run away.
Yeah, I know. Just 2 of them.
Okay. All right then. Action, people.
Record!
I am. I am.
She's beautiful.
I like
When did I become the cameraman again?
Record him.
Yeah, I am. I'm literally. Should I chase them? I don't know if I should really chase them. Oh my goodness.
Just chase them. It's funny.
Hi. That failed, kind of. Dude, whoever comes after her is just gonna see like a entire almost field. I'm so
Oh yeah. Like this whole field is probably gonna be covered in
Yeah.
either water or silly string.
Yes.
So, whoever you are, you're in for some doom. We'll say that. In short.
That's all I got.
Don't sleep ever. I bet you could put it on here.
That's true. Putting the camera here. It's recording. Keep something.
It goes over there. Oh no, the poor people have to listen to this loud music. I have to edit this out. Oh god. See what I mean? Record the fun stuff. Lovebirds. I don't know what's happening there. Beautiful. Idiot. Beautiful. Beautiful. Weirdo. Oh, interesting.
Oh, dude. I'm so sorry. I feel like Simon is.
Oh god. Oh. Oh god, I got my whole sleeve dirty.
Oh my god, are you okay?
And I got some in my nose.
Wait, can we just leave the dude alone for 1 minute?
I want to salt you.
Ducko, can I throw this at you? I have bad aim, but okay.
Are you okay, bro?
And I got some in my nose.
Oh! Oh! Trini! What? That bounced off you!
I'm invincible, baby!
That idiot! How do you? It was right there! Are you dumb? Are you dumb? No! 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 Anything more? Oh. Oh no!
I got some in my nose.
Oh, you look so pretty like that. Oh no! Oh! How are you this dumb?
Where's the other silly string?
Guys! Oh,
Dude, I got 5 times and all they all like 30.
You're gonna. No, I'm not.
Oh, cute doggo.
Is that the unique?
Oh my god! I'll feature you if you want to.
No.
Okay.
Ready? Like $2. I'll give you $2.
No, it's fine.
You want to do it too?
Okay, ready? No, I'm not doing it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no, she's actually good at it.
Quicker.
Oh, okay, wait, my. Okay.
Okay, gimme.
No! Let's go together!
Come on! You can do it! Literally just throw it in.
I'm just gonna vlog this.
Stop it. They're gonna get angry.
I hope not.
Are they actually doing this?
No.
They're actually doing this?
Did they do it?
No, they didn't do it.
I can't see. It's so blurry. It won't focus.
Let's do an indie camera.
Huh?
They will not be identified.
What was that?
No, I didn't want to be in front.
A lovely dog. Hello. Oh my.
Okay.
Fishy.
Bitches, guess what this looks like. Guess what it looks like. Guess what it looks like. Bitches be like.
Interesting.
Guess what it looks like.
A man peeing. Oh wait, did they do it? They did it. They did it. They did it.
What?
They just threw the ice cream at them. What did you guys do?
We threw it.
Did they take it?
Yeah.
Are they eating it?
Hell yeah.
You guys actually, what did they do?
I just went and chucked it. I did not even look for a second.
They're in the middle. Like they were catching it. If you wanted to
Really? They were
They were trying to catch it.
rock, paper, scissors fight over who gets to have it.
Oh!
We started a chain reaction.
Let's go. I'm gonna do it again.
Wait, can I do this one? Can I do this one?
I'm doing it again.
No, you already did.
I ate it.
Hey, we'll vlog it. She's doing it again.
Yeah, okay.
Let's go.
Oh god.
跟他们玩个边那边啦。
Oh! They chucked another one!
哎，你们可以比赛。